Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply change your regiment happy hour in Call of Duty Warzone. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're in Call of Duty, go to top right corner and you're gonna see here regiments. And when you're gonna have like regiment here, let's click manage regiment and you're gonna see here change happy hour. When you're gonna click on it, you can just like easily change the hours here to whatever and minutes, and then just press confirm. So again, right top corner, regiments, manage regiment, and then change happy hour. But if you're gonna change it, it's going to lock for 24 hours until you can change it again. So just keep in mind that. So thank you everybody very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. Have a great day and goodbye.